In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Movers. This tool is designed to help you spot the most active stocks at a glance so you can quickly understand what's moving the market and why. We'll walk through where to find it, how to read it, how to filter it for quality, and how to dig into the details behind each move. First, log in to your Benzinga Pro account and head to the main dashboard. From there, click on the tab labeled Movers. As soon as it opens, you'll see two dynamic lists: top gainers and top losers. The percentage change for each ticker updates in real time, so you're always looking at the latest moves as they happen. Think of this as your pulse check on market momentum, delivering a live snapshot of what's leading and lagging right now. Next, take a moment to understand the layout. Movers highlights key columns you'll use constantly: the stock ticker symbol, the percentage change showing how much it has moved, and the volume, which reveals how active the stock is. The list is automatically sorted from the biggest movers to the smallest, which helps you prioritize what deserves immediate attention. Large percentage moves with meaningful volume typically signal stronger interest, while thin volume can be a red flag. Now fine-tune what you see using the filters at the top. Choose whether you want to view gainers, losers, or both in the same feed. Then set your time frame. You can focus on pre-market activity if you're scouting early catalysts, or switch to the regular session to track moves after the opening bell. If you prefer, layer on a market cap filter to zero in on large caps or small caps. Most importantly, use the volume filter. Setting a minimum volume helps you avoid low-quality, illiquid names and keeps your list focused on stocks with real participation, not just random spikes. When something catches your eye, click the ticker to open the full picture. You'll see the latest news to understand why it's moving, a chart to visualize the move over your preferred time frame, volume details to confirm strength behind the price action, and a catalyst panel highlighting items like earnings, company news, or analyst upgrades. This is where you connect the dots, confirm the catalyst, check if volume supports the move, and see exactly how the price is behaving. That's all you need to get productive with Benzinga Pro Movers. Log in, open movers, read the layout, set smart filters, and click through to the details to understand each move with confidence.